Yo, what is going on, guys? Prevised here. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoy, please leave a like and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. But anyways, I'm gonna be teaching you how to script a moving model. But in the video, I'm gonna be making a car that's gonna move. But you can move any kind of model. It doesn't matter with this script. But yeah, all right. So I'm gonna be going into a game I already made. So what you can do is just create a new place, and I'm expecting for all of you guys to know how to create a place. So you could just click that button right there. But anyways, I'll go into my studio. Well, a game already I made, but oh yeah, man, I haven't seen this image change in forever. It's probably been like years. Image by Freaked. All right. So this is nothing really, this place, but anyways, okay. What you want to do is press on the View tab, open up Explore and Properties. Also, guys, I'm also expecting. Sorry, I'm saying this, but I gotta say it, but I'm expecting for you guys to know how to script, like have some sort of scripting knowledge. Not to be very basic. Um, but no, well, you can be very basic. That's fine. I just I just don't really want to. I don't really want to explain like in detail like what script means, what parent means. Like I don't really. I just want to get the tutorial over with. But yeah. All right. So first off, what you want to do is okay. So for example, I'll be using a free modeled car. So let's just use this car. Alrighty. So we have this car. Now let me just rotate it. Let's just rotate it like this. So I'm gonna want to make it move this way. So make it move like that, you know, to like so it looks like it would be moving. So on in the model, let's right click on it, insert object, and look for a script. Alrighty. So there's this function, I believe it's a function called translate by, and it pretty much just moves an object. So let's just do this. Alright, so let's make a for loop. So for I equals 0. So 0 is going to be like a starting position, like from where it is now. We want it to go, let's do negative 100 and then 0 do. So for I do. Alrighty. So now what we want to do is script dot parent and then colon translate by. See, it's similar to move to, except instead of moving. Okay. Alright. And then in here, we want to do vector 3 dot new. Also, guys, if you're scripting this yourself, which you should, caps and lower cases, they matter. And the spelling matters, so watch out for that. So I'm gonna just enlarge it. So just look at the parentheses here and make sure you have the right amount of parentheses. So anyways, so in this vector 3 value, inside the parentheses, what we want to put is I, comma, 0, 0. I, comma, 0, comma, 0. Yeah. Alrighty. So, but after, let's just press enter. Let's add a wait. Yeah. And that should work. Alright, I'm just gonna run this. Not getting any error. Oh, okay, I see what I did wrong. Let's add a negative 0.1. So change that 0 that was right here to a negative 0.1. Oh no, it's going backwards. What the heck? Alright, let's change this to a positive. And then if we change that to a positive, we need to change this to a positive. Let's run this. There we go. We got that car going. As you can see, it falls because all the parts in it are anchored. So if we right click on the car, select children, go to, oh, anchored. Oh, okay, it's all true. The reason is because there must be a script inside of this model that changes all these parts to false. Like changes all these parts anchored to false. So that's the reason why. But if that script was gone, it would float pretty much. It would keep going. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you use translate by. Um, I'll open up the script again. Let's see, about 6 minutes. Alright, so I guess I'll explain a little. So it's a for loop, so for I, which I is kind of like a variable, equals 0. So 0 is going to be the starting position. So we want to go from 0 to 100 by going up 0.1. So hopefully you guys can understand that. So starting from 0 goes 100. It goes to 100 by every 0.1, like 0.1 per, I don't know how long the wait is. Like if we did a 1 right here, I'll show you guys what it looks like. See how it's moving very slow? Every 1 second it's moving. It's kind of hard to explain, so it's best to just put nothing in here. And then what script is as you can see, we're inside of a script, and then the parent is car, which is this, and then there's a function called translate by, and then we put a vector 3 value. Whoa, we put a vector 3 value inside of it, which is this. And a vector 3 is kind of like it. What I think of it is having 3 values. So as you can see, there's a value right here, and then there's a comma of another value, comma. So there's like 3 values. Like position, if you want to change the position of something, you could use vector 3 or cframe.new. But yeah, and what the I is for, as you can see, it's kind of like a variable right here, how we made it before, and the I changes like every 0.0. I don't know how long this wait is. Might have to look into that one day. But yeah, it just changes, and it's kind of hard to explain, but just practice maybe. Practice. I'm new to using translate by. I just wanted to make this video because I learned it. Yeah, so, well, peace out, guys.